Okay, we need to put the humbucker in the SSH pickguard. So if you want to do a humbucker upgrade, you've got to add a new pickguard, and pretty soon we'll be into the guitar taking apart the old SSS pickguard, 3 single coils, and we're going to put this humbucker in here on this pickguard. Now, the way that works is we've got 2 screws that go into the pickguard. They're rather long, and they are supposed to take these springs, and when you turn these 2 screws, it allows the pickup to move up and down inside the pickguard. Okay, that will help you raise and lower the pickup's height from the strings. The higher it gets, the stronger the output. Not necessarily better, just stronger. And the farther down that it goes, the weaker the signal. So let's see how one of these works. Here's the spring, which you could easily lose if you're not careful. And the spring goes over the screw goes into the slot, and we want to orient the pickup with the screws here facing the back of the bridge. So this is exactly how it's going to be installed. So let's see exactly how long it takes me to fumble through this. It's really, for a one-man job, it can take you a little bit of patience and trial to make it happen, especially when you're older. So I'm going to compress the spring, which is going to expose the screw. The problem is you've got to be able to turn the screw at the same time with the screwdriver. Actually, here we go. I'm going to try it this way. I'm going to lay it up against it. I'm going to compress, and I'm going to turn the screw. Now I almost had it. Here we go. Just making sure my pickup's the right way, because once this thing grabs, you don't want to have to take it apart again. So here we are. I feel like I've got the thread in place, and I'm turning the screw. And lo and behold, there it is. It's coming through. There it is right there. You can see that it's made a contact. Now we're going to flip the pickguard the other way. We'll put the other screw in from the front, load the spring, and do the same thing. Gets a little bit easier with the second screw because the first screw is already holding the pickup somewhat steady for you. As you can see, this thing likes to bounce around. So, there we are. Grab the screwdriver. And turn. I'm not actually in the threaded area yet. I could feel it slipping, so I'm going to keep fussing with it until it finds that spot. There we go. I think I got it. Oh, maybe not. Now, if you had 2 people doing this, no problem. One person screws, one person holds the spring. There we are. Everything's installed. What you've got is a pickup that's too low, so by turning these 2 outside screws here and here, we're going to raise and lower the pickup. I'll show you on one side with a side profile. You can see as I screw this in, you can see one side of the pickup is elevating. Okay, so do that to the other side, lay it at about halfway, and prepare to install this into your guitar into your guitar body on the next video.